Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you. And today's recipe is a breakfast dish. We are going to make a fusion breakfast called Poha Omelette or Flattened Rice Flake Omelette. In this one I am using red poha, which are healthier than the white ones, but you may use white also if you have those at home. Sometimes we make poha breakfast and we have leftovers. You can use those as well. So this omelette is super delicious, and we are going to serve it along with potatoes which are sauteed with Goda Masala. So this dish has authentic poha flavors, Maharashtrian flavors, and on top of it we are going to add crushed roasted peanuts, which gives a crunch to this. So give it a try, and I'm sure you're going to love this omelette. Poha omelette, a delicious fusion breakfast. So yummy. Ingredients list is shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now let's begin with the potatoes. I have boiled these potatoes up to 80%. Don't overcook them and make them mushy, because we have to cut them into small pieces and then saute them with spices. Now the peeling is done. Cut these potatoes into small tiny pieces like diced potatoes. This way. Now set these aside. Now in this recipe I am using the red rice poha. Rinse the poha very well and soak them. Do this by sprinkling water few times over them. These are the red poha. These are little better, healthier than the white ones. Or if you wish, you may use the white poha as well. Whatever you have at home, you can use that. These pohas becomes double in quantity after soaking. So use whatever quantity you require. Now in a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 to 3 pinches of turmeric powder. Mix it well into the oil with the spatula. Now dip in the boiled and diced potato pieces. Add little bit of salt to taste. Give them a nice mix. They are 80% done, and now we are going to cook them a little bit until they are nice and crunchy and cooked to perfection. Cover the lid and cook them on low flame. In between, open the lid and give them a toss. Once again, simmer a bit. In couple of minutes, they should be done. Now add 1 teaspoon of Goda Masala, which is Maharashtrian masala, also known as Kala Masala. Mix them well until the masala is coated on all the potatoes uniformly. If you don't have this masala, you could also use Kolhapuri masala. Now set the potatoes aside. They are done. In a large mixing bowl, break the eggs. I am using 4 eggs. This will serve 2 people, but nice, quite filling portions. Add salt to taste, and now we are going to whisk the eggs. I've got this small handy rechargeable balloon whisk. Using this, I'm whisking it to a nice fluffy texture. You can also use egg beater if you don't have this. Look at this, nice and frothy. The texture of the omelette will be very nice if you beat the eggs this way. Now to this I am adding chopped green chillies, chopped coriander leaves, handful, and these are soaked poha. I am adding 3/4 of the quantity and saving little to check. Later if required we can add them again. And finely chopped onions. Mix with the spatula gently. As the egg mixture is frothy, we want to keep that intact. Like cut and fold method, you can mix them. I think the remaining quantity of the poha also can be added. Everything is mixed. Now we can fry this mixture. In a pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of oil. Take a deeper pan so that this omelette becomes nice and thick, preferably a smaller one with a thick base. Now pour the egg mixture into it. Now the whisking has to be done just before you are frying the omelette, or else the froth will be gone. When you are ready to eat, you can do the mixing and fry the omelette. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Cover and simmer it. Cook it on low flame. Because it's very thick, so ensure that you are cooking on low flame so that it gets cooked through. Release the edges. It still needs to be done a little bit more before flipping. So cover the lid and continue to cook. After cooking a little bit, you can see now it's almost firm. Now we can carefully flip the side. Put a plate on it. With the help of cloth, you can upturn the pan. One side is done perfectly. Now pour little oil, about 2 tablespoons, to fry the other side of the omelette. Slide it into the pan carefully. Now again we are going to cover and cook it on low flame. In between you can open and check. When you feel it is firm, it should be done. Now we will remove it into a plate this way. Nice spongy thick poha omelette is ready. Let's do the garnishing now. The fried potatoes have to be spread on it. Once in a way it's good to try out something nice and unique. Variation is always good and enjoyable. Now we'll sprinkle some dry garlic and chilli chutney, which is the dry kanda lesun chutney we use in vada pav. Use it as much as you like. If you like it spicy, sprinkle a lot of it. Finally, for crunch, we are adding roasted and crushed peanuts. Lovely. What an interesting and exciting dish. Garnish with some fresh coriander leaves and you are done. Just make and enjoy. tasting time. Let's see how it tastes. Nice firm texture. You can cut it out like pizza. Look at this. So delicious. I'm sure you would love to try it. And if you make it, do share your feedback. So yummy. I love it. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from my collection too. And stay tuned for the next recipe. Have a nice day.